So this is the Casper bed, a queen size mattress retailing for $850, made of latex foam and some other cool ingredients. It is just over 80 pounds. It is not light. This is a really heavy mattress, and they've obviously used a machine to compress this into the box. And I'm told that within 90 minutes of opening the box and getting the mattress out, that it will be fully expanded, and that most of that expansion occurs relatively immediately. I have not seen this before, so here we go. Let's see what sort of expansion occurs. Hopefully I'll be smart enough not to cut the mattress itself. Good. Looks like there's some interesting information in here. We'll set that over on the bed. And let's see what we have here. All right, some cardboard. Take that out of the way. We will briefly consult the manual to make sure that we don't do anything stupid. Oh, they even give you a sharp box cutter here so that you don't... Nope, never mind. This little letter opener frees your Casper from its tie-back cage. Okay, so it is for freeing the Casper thing from the cage. It gives you a little card here. Setting up your Casper. Your Casper has arrived. Check. Make sure you unpack your Casper in the room in which it belongs. Check. Use a handy sharp and steady blade to unbind your Casper. Start on the dot. Unfurl your Casper and cut open the remaining plastic wrap. Here at Sigh with Relief, get in, your Casper awaits. All right. Looks like fun. Let's poop this out. All right. This is the tie-back case they were talking about. Boy, that is thick. Okay, here we go. Opening up. You can hear it strain. Oh my goodness, here it comes. Oh yes, I hear it breathing. It wants to be alive. Okay, we'll move this over here. It would breathe faster if only I were able to get the... Oh, there we go. Oh good. I can use this if I ever have to cover the mattress again for some reason. Let's see, we'll open this up. 100 days worth of trial period, so I should be able to figure out whether or not this thing is the answer to all of my sleeping dreams or not in 100 days. Pretty reasonable price, I would say, especially if it lasts as long as it's supposed to. Not quite as thick as I thought it was going to be, but I suppose thickness isn't necessarily a big deal. Okay. Let's see. Let's put it like this. Oh yeah, look at that. And again, I have 100 days in which to determine if this mattress makes me happy and sleep well. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned for more feedback on the Casper mattress.